We are writing a program to solve the quadratic equation. So the coefficient of the quadratic equation, we have a, b, c as the coefficient of the quadratic equation. First of all, we are using mathematical function. So that we are using square root function, which is under math. So that means we are going to import math import square root from math. So the first coefficient, which is a, we have to input it and convert it to float. The second coefficient, which is b, we have to invert it and convert it to float. Likewise, the third coefficient, which is c, we have to import it and convert it to float. So to find the determinant, which is d raised to power 2, which is same thing as d times b minus 4 times a times c. So now let's look whether if the determinant is greater than 0, so we can now apply this equation. X1 will be bracket minus b square root d divided by 2 times a. That's this x2 will be minus b plus minus square root d divided by 2 times a. So now we can either print and convert it x1 and x2, convert it into 2 decimal places. Convert the float into 2 decimal places. If the determinant is 0, that means the answer, we should print what is going to be the answer. So divide b by a, give it the result. Else, that means the equation has no roots. So this is a simple way of writing a program to solve a quadratic equation. So let's run it and see what is going to be our results. So if we input the value of a to be 2, the value of b to be minus 7, y c should be 12, what is going to be our result? It has no roots. So let's try to run. If it is a is equal to 2, this one is equal to 6, y this one is equal to no roots. Probably we can look for equation that will be having an equation that will be having roots. Let's look for equation, a quadratic equation that will have a root.
Do you want to become a product tester? The main job is to test the authenticity of the products. No advanced academic qualifications are required.
If it is 1,
orientation training for new employees. Apply for jobs that are right for you.
B is 2, this one is C is 3. It also has no roots. I'm looking for equation that we can enter that will be having roots. Okay, good. Let's run it. If a is 4 and b is minus 4 and c is minus 5, this has a root, so that's going to be the answer. Thanks.